on the nature reserve 2 or 3 years ago, but the decision's not been implemented. So he's come back to us and asked a few questions. Basically, North Somerset have got 3 options for the nature reserve. They can transfer the land to a management company, transfer the land to an environmental trust or similar, or transfer the land to North Somerset. They've asked us, in principle, as Portishead Town Council, whether we would like to formally consider adopting the nature reserve. That could involve land ownership or could involve, I guess, management. And so that's basically the question we've been asked. And discussion is around, in principle, would we want to have further discussions? Because obviously there's on one hand some costs and risk, and on the other hand it's a fantastic asset which might be better managed locally. So of course it is in Portbury parish, the nature reserve, not in Portishead, although clearly people in the East Ward paid the levy for some time. And so North Somerset Council have also approached Portbury Council. Obviously Portbury is a much smaller parish council. It's only got about 1,000 residents, and Peg and I did speak to the chairman, Mike Phipps, earlier this week. So they're not interested in taking it on in any respect because they haven't got the resources to do so. So that's the position we're in at the moment. So it's kind of very early days. Whether the councillors, if anyone's got any comments about how we best approach this. Caritas.
One of the things that kind of motivated me to be here today and in my role is the concern over the lake grounds. The lake grounds has been the nature reserve. The nature reserve has been a huge fudge of an issue for this town for so long. We had no security on its future, no idea of its ownership and its way forward. I don't necessarily know, I have 2 hats on this, I don't necessarily know what the future should be, but I believe the town should have a say in what that future is. So I would be supportive of us entering further discussions with an eye to wider consultation with the public to say what they want with regards to securing the future of this valuable asset for the town.
Is there any choice?
Yeah, I think personally, I think having some security, having some clear vision. If we were to adopt it, we'd have at least some, a control over it and how it would be used. Obviously, residents affects massively residents in the East Ward, and I think Avon Wildlife Trust have done a brilliant job maintaining it. So if we could work with them to continue that, that would be my preference on that. Definitely.
Okay. Anyone from the public? So Geoff, like a comment.
2 questions. If Portishead Town Council do decide to take it on, will that £330,000 be transferred to the council for them to manage this? And secondly, to Mr. Charles there, as North Somerset District Councillor, shouldn't you be looking at how it went from Port Marine to North Somerset through very mysterious letters and emails and buying it off on North Somerset Council letterhead paper? There's some underhand dealings gone in there in the past. We should be investigating that to see what's going on.
Simple answer, yes. The figures you mentioned are probably not correct. I think there's probably around about £100,000 left of that money. So what was kind of spent is another issue as well to be addressed. But I would take that as 2 separate issues. Yes, I am looking into that and I am concerned about that. It is not technically in the ownership of North Somerset at the moment. It's still within this amorphous company. So that's why I'm able to speak about this tonight, because we don't own it. But we do have leverage to actually secure the future of it and to